Hi guys, welcome to Geek Summaries. Today we have brought you one of the famous courses from the Great Institute, which is Great Learning. Great Learning is an international institute and it has various branches all over the world. So we have bought the Great Learning courses for free for all of you guys. So first we need to log into the Great Learning portal. If you have an account, you can log in directly. Otherwise, you need to click on sign up button, which is here. So either you can sign up with Google, or you can log in, or you can provide your email address and sign up. So I am signing in with Google. You have to create your password. You have to click on sign up. Then coming to the courses, you can see here there are a lot of courses which are popular, which are categorized into popular data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, IT and software and cloud computing, and big data and virtual classroom and case studies. So the popular courses are Python for machine learning and machine learning for foundations, and R language. It covers the basic part, and data visualization using Tableau, which covers how to visualize the data and what are the types used in visualizing the data, and you can learn about the foundations of cloud and digital marketing. And you can also register for live classes. If you are interested in register for live classes, you can register here. So they will send you a mail regarding the time. So it has too many live classes registrations. You can see here it is all available for free, and it also provides a course completion certificate. There will be 2 quizzes and in some projects in some courses. If you successfully complete them, then you will get a certificate within 24 hours to your mail and to your registered portal. You can see here there are a lot of course guys. If you are willing to register for it, you can go through it. The next one is data science. This data science covers R and statistical methods of decision making, and it also covers predictive analytics and data visualization, and how analytics are used on SaaS platform, and data science foundation, and basics of EDA, exploratory data analysis, machine learning, Python for machine learning and data visualization, and statistics, and it also covers the foundations of machine learning. And you can also learn Python for machine learning in Hindi if you are willing to learn, and machine learning foundations in R language. And artificial intelligence, it has introduction to neural networks and deep learning and computer vision and deep digital image processing. So it provides a beginner knowledge of full stack development, and it also provides introduction to information security, and you can learn basics of data structures and Java programming. You can go through it by scrolling down. So there are numerous courses, guys. If you are willing to go through it, then please enroll in the course that are you interested in. So it has various platforms: financial risk analytics and marketing and retail analytics and digital marketing, and marketing as business foundations. It also has big data, so you can master big data by enrolling in this course. It covers right from basic to scratch, advanced. So you can see here the rating. It has 4.67. So I just suggest you to enroll in the courses that you are interested in, and you can also avail a free certificate after the completion of the course successfully. You can see artificial intelligence with Python and Tableau for beginners and reinforcement learning with Python and linear regression and advanced statistics. So it covers the entire syllabus of data science, guys, right from the basic to advanced. So it also provides case studies from banking and finance industry and from insurance industry and retail and e-commerce, and case studies in human resource management and sales and marketing. So by learning those basics, you can work on the case studies and you can gain a lot of knowledge. And if you have any queries, you will have mentors to interact with you, and they will help you if you got stuck anywhere. So I suggest you to go through this course, guys. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe to your channel. Thank you.